Nearby, the empty cacao husks are whisked away on a silent conveyor belt, destined to be recycled into. The sequence concludes as the ocean of white cacao beans flows seamlessly into specialized containers. In the high-tech sector, the cacao is moved into rotary drying cylinders, where a gentle flow of warm
The pristine cacao beans are funneled into heavy-duty jute bags, each one stamped with its origin, ready for transport into the modern factory.
The bespoke curve is ready for activation.
Run the sequence.
Inside the rotating drum, the cacao beans are tossed in a rhythmic dance, ensuring every single bean is evenly. Powerful cold air fans instantly lock in the complex flavor notes, bringing the roasted cacao to a stabilized state.
The roasted cacao beans enter the high-speed cracking station, where heavy-duty rollers apply just enough pressure.
This sequence of mechanical perfection concludes with a wide, cinematic shot of the winnowing hall, where the
We're seeing a slight variance at the inflection point.
Compensating the thermal input now. It's stabilized.
The sequence concludes as the majestic flow of cacao liquor reaches the holding tanks, where slow-moving blades keep... Fine, crystalline sugar is introduced through a vacuum-sealed system, falling like a shimmering mist into the...
For the milk chocolate batches, a cloud of premium ivory milk powder is folded to the swirling cacao.
Constant thermal monitoring ensures the cacao blend remains at a precise temperature, allowing the sugars and fats to bond perfectly with the solid cacao particles.
Internal cooling systems hum quietly, maintaining a perfect thermal equilibrium to ensure the delicate volatile oils.
Every micron is accounted for as the machine relentlessly grinds the cacao particles down to a...
Their digital feedback, confirming a level of microscopic perfection required for a world-class luxury product.
The sequence concludes with the refined cacao moving forward on a silent conveyor, having been reborn through mechanical precision.
Initiating the dry case phase ready to 900 space where the
The motion of the concha creates microscopic air bubbles within the cacao liquid, a process of aeration that rounds out the flavor.
Viscosity is stabilizing at 400.
Confirmed. Temperature holding steady at 45 Celsius.
As the 72-hour mark approaches, a small amount of natural lecithin is added, bonding with the cacao molecule.
The texture is now so refined that it transcends liquid, becoming a cacao gold that flows with a heavy, luxurious density through the internal piping system.
The flavor has evolved from raw and aggressive to a sophisticated symphony of caramel, fruit, and deep chocolate.
The finished cacao liquid is pumped into heated storage tanks, shimmering with a deep, regal glow as it awaits.
The temperature begins a precise scent, monitored by glowing blue sensors.
Subs. Orphacy.
Invisible currents of purified, dry air sweep across the molds, ensuring a uniform temperature distribution. As the molds approach the exit, the air warms slightly, restabilizing the bars to prevent condensation.
therapeutic or digital. This particular cacao is sourced from a small sustainable farm deep within the Amazon rainforest.